start archiving basically our old mahallas, our old city in Tashkent. And it was quite crucial for us, then to bring it to the wider audience and to show it in Venice and to make it the first pavilion to make it the first exhibition of the National Pavilion. And, but this is how we came to really realize and understand, that these communities and these houses are really essential, for Tashkent. And it just happened at the same time as there was a really huge development starting in the heart of this area, in Uzbekistan, when a lot of this area was being demolished in order to create the new high-rise buildings, And when we started this project, we really just thought we will just document part of it, and this is it, we'll just show it to the larger audience. But what happened was, it was quite tremendous, because we brought it to the wider audience, but then we received so much feedback inside the country, and even from the government, that we actually have to save it somehow, and let's reserve it and preserve it, And but then at the same time, we were starting building and working on a Center for Contemporary Art, the first center in contemporary art in Uzbekistan, which was supposed to really support a state collection museum, Because when we started building this museum with Tadej Wanda, we thought, are we just working on the existing collection, or do we really want to create a new collection of contemporary art? And for that, do we need a Center for Contemporary Art? Of course, we need to start building these communities and building artists and awareness, etc. And but then how we realized when we start working on the Museum of Contemporary Art or Center of Contemporary Art, do we need to create art residencies? Yes, of course. But do we need to create art residences in the heart of the industrial city or in the heart of business city? No, of course, we have to go to a residential area, because this is where the culture is, this is where the people are living, and this is where the place where people can really share and rely on each other, and also, of course, this art residencies is not just for locals, but also for people who would come and work there, and is really interested to be inside of it, really to be inside of the culture. And it also was very important for us to stay inside of this vernacular architecture, and trying to build up. And so this is how basically one project arises from another. And we're creating now 2 residences, which one would be purely focused on one artist and would be more about art. And the other one would be more about collective art, and which we are thinking more towards creative design, and building more around the narrative of applied art, which is, again, it's quite high in Uzbekistan, but we want to make it more contemporary,